named Ethan. Ethan was in grade 3 and speaking about science. He used to.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shavalika. I am studying 10th class at KGB.
Why do you want to become a doctor? What made you think about becoming a doctor? You wanted to become a doctor or are you interested? Or you just felt you wanted to be a doctor? You just felt you wanted to become a doctor. Together? No, what is your goal? I think that was Jai Hind. के अंदर कुछ I don't believe that. I have a 9-year-old boy who's in 4th class. I don't believe any lab, no devices. Computer lab, any doses are very good. Even though computer lab for sure. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. All the best.
Bye. Indian Navy, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, wait, do you know about BrahMos?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain what is that?
BrahMos, sir. It is a rocket. It is a missile, sir. It is made by India only, sir. Its range was 45 kilometers.
I don't know. So I can't.
Russia and India. This range is 450 to 500 kilometers. It is supersonic missiles.
What do you mean by supersonic?
It is fastest.
This is not there.
This is Akash missile, sir. This range is 4.4.
But did you know dual purpose are being crashing? English का मारता संभव बना, तेलुगु मारता संभव बना. There's nothing as a right or wrong answer.
Missiles, sir. Range 300 meters to 9 kilometers. Speed 686 meters per second.
Lander this is the lander అంటే ఇక్కడ ల్యాండ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. ఇది మనం కొనుక్కుందా లేదా ఇది సిఎస్ఆర్ కి వచ్చింది?
चलो 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 आगे चलो 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 भैया चलो.